Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to number 3 tan t, because if I put this one goal here, we have 9 tan t square, number 9, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by the s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the s equals to number 3 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one goal here and here. The s we change by this one. This one we have 9 tan t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. This one we change by secant of t square. This one we have 9 tan t square. Now we need to simplify number 9 secant of t square, and we just have only 3 tan t square. So tan t square we change by secant of t square minus 1. The integration of this one, we have tan t, number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And we have t equal to arctan of s over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. So tan with arctan, we have s over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.